When a legend needs new wings, they have to be perfect.
This is the story of a $10 million plane, custom-built for the world's #1 superstar.
Behind this elegance lies a world of engineering and precision. It all begins at one of Europe's leading aviation centers. A design not just to fly, but to be iconic. Hundreds of simulations ensure maximum efficiency.
"3D printers here create ultra-precise and lightweight parts.
Titanium alloy is shaped with microscopic precision. Every part must pass the strictest quality checks.
The wing box, the backbone of the private jet, is positioned with robotic perfection.
Wing flexibility and strength are essential.
The fuselage modules align perfectly as robots and humans work together. Laser welds create seamless, weight-optimized joints.
Precise alignment is essential. Just a millimeter off means a reboot.
Full 3D scanning ensures structural uniformity. Wings being loaded into final assembly bay. The controls ensure flight stability at all altitudes. Hundreds of signal lines connect to the aircraft's data core. As the nose was fitted, the silhouette of the plane began to take shape.
Inside the nose is a series of advanced sensors and processors.
The pitot tube, which accurately measures airspeed, is installed with great care. As the nose of the plane is installed, the silhouette of the plane begins to appear. After thousands of hours, the fuselage is ready for structural testing. The plane must now prove its strength in extreme conditions. The hydraulic system simulates the forces of actual flight. The wing must flex without compromising its integrity. The sensors record even the smallest vibrations.
All parameters must comply with international safety standards.
Passing the 200% stress test marks a major milestone. Next comes the decisive stage, the signature pearl white paint job.
The surface must be spotless, not the slightest speck of dust.
Surface flatness is measured to the thousandth of a millimeter. The robot arm applies a perfect base coat. Custom pearl white applied by fine mist spraying. Custom pearl white applied by fine mist spraying. Every reflection must be perfect. A nanolayer protects the aircraft from the effects of strong ultraviolet rays.
A nanolayer protects the aircraft from the effects of strong ultraviolet rays. Every interior element requires absolute dimensional precision. Lightweight composite floors ensure durability without adding unnecessary weight.
Each custom-built module is installed with millimeter precision.
Hand-stitched Italian leather reflects the athlete's signature style.
The entertainment system turns the cabin into a floating cinema.
Every function simplified to a single touch. A perfect atmosphere emerges through meticulous calibration.
The minibar is designed to match Ronaldo's minimalist taste.
Every detail is checked to ensure perfect harmony.
The interior now exudes the comfort and sophistication worthy of its owner.
The cockpit awaits the intelligence that will control this aircraft.
The digital displays form the navigation center.
Fiber optic lines ensure ultra-fast data flow throughout the system.
The main processor coordinates every signal in the aircraft.
The simulations test every possible flight scenario.
Instant response is essential. Delay is not an option.
With the avionics calibrated, the jet is ready for its heart, the engine.
The engines landed. Powerful machines capable of producing enormous thrust.
The precision of the robots ensures the engines are installed perfectly. Even the smallest locking mechanism is crucial for safe flight.
The turbine blades are forged from a super strong alloy to ensure lasting strength.
Engine operating at controlled intensity.
Over 300 safety checkpoints to pass.
The landing gear must respond perfectly under all loads. Every mechanical part is thoroughly inspected without compromise.
With the engines installed, the jet is approaching its first thrust test. Finally, the plane is complete, ready for final certification.
The jet heads toward the runway for its first ground test.
The long-awaited test flight is finally here.
The plane responded exactly as designed.
The test run marks the final step towards perfection.
With each passing test, the aircraft is certified.
We did it! It's approved!